Hi everyone, Kovaion welcomes you to this session. Today we are going to discuss on the topics PeopleSoft HCM PUM 4344, exploring self-service functionalities, self-service schedule and absence balance forecast. Let me introduce myself. My name is Manisha Devi and I am associated with Kovaion as PeopleSoft consultant. Before getting into the topic, I would like to give a brief introduction about Kovaion. Kovaion is a business transformation and technology solution partner. We are headquartered in UK and spread across USA, Philippines and India. We are the Oracle boutique partner and specialized in HCM Cloud, ERP Cloud, PeopleSoft applications, offering end-to-end implementation, support, upgrade and enhancement services. Our experience talks about servicing 45 plus countries where we did multi-country implementation and rollout. We have executed 210 plus engagements and have customers across different domains with a strong team of 200 plus consultants. Our portfolio on PeopleSoft talks about our experience across different PeopleSoft applications and modules, namely the HCM, FSCM, CS, CRM, and ELM. We have executed numerous implementation, upgrade, and support engagements with customers in different segments like IT and ITES, staffing, automobile, BFSI, and education. With more than 12 plus years of experience in PeopleSoft landscape, our expertise spans across multi-industry virtual projects accomplished through Agile methodology. We are proud to mention that we work as support partners for global Fortune 500 companies. Kovaion is aligned with Oracle's product acquisition strategy. Let's take a deep look on today's webinar topic. These are the major points that we are going to discuss one by one. So firstly, we will start with the manager and employee self-service schedule. Next, we will be checking on the absence balance forecast. And side by side, I would be showcasing few demos so that you can understand it in a better way. So finally, I would be helping you with the benefits of manager and employee self-service schedules and absence balance forecast. And if you have any questions, which would be answered at the end of the sessions. So let me take you to the overview of manager and the employee self-service scheduler. Scheduling means assigning or organizing schedules or shift for an employee. Why we are using manage schedule? The fluid manager self-service schedule feature consolidates all the scheduling tasks for a manager under one tile. There are a lot of scheduling tasks that manager must deal with. For example, assigning a new schedule, replacing workers with who can't work on that schedule, or swap their schedule. Who can use a request schedule? The request schedule allows time-reported schedule changes through the request schedule change tile. Time reporters can request schedule change at any time, and managers can keep track for the change. View and assign schedule. Managers can use the view and assign schedule option to assign a new schedule or to see the assigned schedule. Replace schedule. Users can use the replace schedule option to replace a schedule between single day. Swap schedule. Swap schedule option swap schedules of two people for one or more days. Override schedule. Override schedule option lets you change a person's schedule for a particular day. This is what the ease of configuration we are having. This is what I am going to show you in demo. Let's jump into the demo. Here I am going to log in with Manager's ID, Manage Schedule tile. The Manage Schedule feature uses the HCM configurable search, allowing organizers to select search field as well as the search results. Here I am selecting one employee. Schedule action summary page shows all the actions that manager can perform around the schedule. The view and assign schedule used to view and assign a schedule for a particular employee. To assign a new schedule, we have to add a new effective date. The schedule lookup allows us to find a schedule. We have to select the schedule which we are going to assign. The schedule calendar shows the schedule details. We can see the schedule details here. Now the schedule has been assigned to that employee. Let's move to the replace schedule option. Replace schedule option to replace a schedule for a single day. The populate employees populate the list of employees. Quick filters are convenient with predefined filters. They are ideal match, shift conflict, unavailable, and view all. Ideal match filter is work for workers who don't have conflict during their shift. Shift conflict filter is work for workers who are already assigned a shift or overlaps. Unavailable filters who either scheduled for off the day or have an absent schedule. Here I am going to search for an employee. I am selecting that employee and click replace. It will replace that schedule for that employee for a particular day. The schedule has been replaced to that employee. Now I am going to show the swap schedules. Swap schedule option to swap the schedules of two people for one or more days. We can swap the schedule for a single day or for multiple days. The options work as same as the replace schedule option. The person selection and the candidate filtering works in the same manner. Override schedule. Override schedule option lets you change a person's schedule for a particular day. You can change the time reported schedule to an existing schedule, assigning an ad hoc schedule, or take the persons off that day. You can select the current shift details, remove the shift from a time reported schedule. I'm going to remove this schedule from that employee. It will remove the schedule from that employee. Okay, now let's move to the employee's login. Here you can see the request schedule change tile. This feature allows time reporter to schedule changes through the request change tile. The time reporters can request schedule change at any time. Time reporters can request a give up schedule or trade their shift with another person. Your shift. The time reporter selects the date for the shift that they want to give up and also can enter a command. Then you have to submit the request. Now let's move to the trade shift. Trade shift means replacing our shift with any other employee. Here we have to select the date, a particular date or one or two dates. Here we have quick filters working as same as replace shift. Here we have to select that employee whom we have to replace. I am selecting one employee and replace the shift. We have to add a command to replace the shift. Now I am going to log in with another employee login. The both employee and manager can see the notifications of the shift which has been swapped or replaced. Here the employee can see the notification that her shift is swapped. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, absence balance and forecast. Absence balance and forecast. Oracle has delivered absence balance and forecast enhancement in the PeopleSoft HCM Image 43 update. Absence balance and forecast enhancement has improved the self-service and provides the real-time result for all the absence balance elements. Users can view the absence balance as of today based on the forecasting elements. Forecasting option. The forecasting option will provide the below mentioned two features. Forecasting request enabled, forecasting balance enabled. Forecasting request enabled. Select the forecasting request enabled checkbox to enable the self-service users to run the online absence forecasting process. This ensures a forecast balance button to appear on the employee request absence page and manager request absence page. Forecast balance enabled. Select the forecast balance enabled checkbox to enable the self-service users to run the online balance inquiry process. This ensures a view forecast balance link to appear on the request absence pages, view absence pages. Retrieval period. The retrieval period will be the data processing calendar period. The retrieval period provides two features: last finalized period, last processed period. The last finalized period, users can select the last finalized period option to show the absence balance based on the last finalized calendar. The last processed period, users can select the last processed period option to show the absence balance based on the last processed calendar. Probably I will show this part of the demo. Let's move to the absence balance and forecast demo. For, for this we have to go to main menu, setup HCM, product related, global payroll and absence management, country setup for absence take. Here we have to select a country. PeopleSoft now lets you calculate the current balance in real time. When you request a leave balance, the system calculates the current balance as of today and recalculates it based on the number of hours or days you are requesting. Balances. You can view the balances on last finalized calendar or as of the last processed calendars. Using self-service, you can also view the balance details like opening, accrued, adjust and closing balances. Review absence balances. The absence balance forecast. The absence balance forecast can also be traced, allowing you to debug forecasting inaccuracies looking at how they are calculated and resolved. Employees are also notified that future absence are ineligible. If the current balance that are submitting is taken, this completes the absence balance forecasting. Benefits. Now you got to know that the idea how to configure the self-service schedule by click on the manager or employee self-service scheduler. The benefits of manager and employee self-service schedule. Scheduling tasks for a manager under one tail. Manager can do all the tasks under one tail. Gives you information on your shift schedule. What are the benefits of absence and balance forecast? Benefits of absence and balance forecast. It provides a real-time result for all the balance elements. User can view the absence balance as of today based on the forecasting elements. And this is a simple session we had conducted. Let's let you know for any questions. So we are ready to answer. You can even drop your questions at the chat box. Please do visit us on Kovaion.com for informative webinars and blogs. You may definitely reach out us on info@kovaion.com for any demo or discussion on your PeopleSoft applications and strategy. Kovaion is proud to parenting with Oracle for the PeopleSoft India SIG 2023 held in Bangalore in February. Please register for the same on our website. Thank you so much for joining this webinar.